ครูคะสวัสดีนะคะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
ขอให้ครูแนะนำตัวอีกทีสักทีค่ะ
ชื่อหม่อมหลวงดารุณีจักรพันธ์นะคะ
ค่ะ
วันนี้เราจะมาทำลาดเตียง
ค่ะ ค่ะ Okay, so her name is Mom Luang Darunee Charkaptlan. Okay, we are currently in the Royal Cooking School for Women here in Bangkok, Thailand, and she's going to show us how to make this dish here, which is an appetizer called Latieng. It's a royal dish, and this all is part of the King's Royal Project. ค่ะ
ต้องเปิดเขาเอาไว้ค่ะ
Okay, while she's waiting for the heat on that and to prepare the egg and everything, let me tell you what this is made of, okay? So the stuffing inside here is made with the shrimp and shaved coconut, and then you mince it and mix it all together. And then you take the coriander, mix with garlic and black pepper, again mince and mix it all together. And then using vegetable oil, you cook it and fry it until it's done, and that part of it is finished. That's the stuffing part. You use both the egg white and the egg yolk, and you just stir it together, mix it well. Okay. She says mix it well together, but do it gently so that when you get ready to fry it to make the shell, it will come out delicately, because otherwise if you mix it too much, then it won't do the strings that you need it to do, and it will cause it to tear basically. Okay. In Thai cuisine, we have this kind of technique on both, actually on appetizers and sometimes the main course and even dessert, just depending on what you want to do with it. One of the desserts that we use this technique for is something called phoi tong, which is basically loosely translated to golden strands. We've seen some of it in the markets, but I'm not sure if you can recall what it looks like. Yeah. ค่ะ
เนี่ยค่ะพอเราได้อย่างนี้
โอเค
แล้ว
มันมีเทคนิคอะไรไหมคะว่าควรจะไปทางไหนก่อนหรืออะไรอย่างเงี้ย
แล้วแต่ถนัด
แล้วแต่ถนัดเลยนะคะ
ค่ะ
I asked her if there was a technique as far as like which way to start first. She said it's completely, you know.
Free-handed?
Exactly.
ทีแทนเลย
I can sign
เล
her.
ยได้
Yeah.
ค่ะ
Okay. Looks good. ค่ะก็ระวังนะคะเพราะมันร้อน So then once you're finished with preparing the eggs like so, you want to trim off the sides, the edges, so that it's more of a square.
แล้วเราก็มาเอา
And then you garnish with red chili and the coriander, cilantro. Sorry.
อันนี้ของเชฟให้เชฟมาห่อ
Oh, okay. She said since you made this nesting thing, that
I have to
you
take
can
it all the way?
Exactly. Okay, and then you put the stuffing on top.
ค่ะได้ค่ะก็พัก
And then the sides. And voila.
ค่ะ
Oh.
นี่ค่ะเท่านี้เอง
okay.
Hers is
ก็
nicer.
ได้
Huh?
เป็นว่างแล้ว
โอเคค่ะ ก็ง่ายนิดเดียวนะคะ Okay. She said, well, that's pretty much all to it. You know, pretty easy appetizer to prepare for any of your guests.
And will the stuffing change? Will it might be different stuffing?
ถ้าสมมติว่าเราเปลี่ยนไส้ข้างในก็ได้ใช่ไหมคะ หรือว่ายังไง
ได้ค่ะ
Yeah, you can change stuffing according to your liking, but she says, you know, as far as this specific recipe and what has been served for, you know, many, many years and many generations, this is exactly how it's done.
This is the original.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
It is beautiful. And we tried that, so it's also tasty.
Yes, it is very tasty.